We were introduced to AluWorks a few months ago when we were researching contractors for our auditorium window and door works. And we had 21 different windows to be made with 8 different specifications, from soundproofing to thickness of the glass to the sizes of the panels. From their team coming to site, taking the measurements, next meeting telling us what they suggest for our work, giving the estimation, executing the work and completing it. Everything was done in scheduled days and time. The best part is, from all the work done almost on the 7th floor of this building, not one window had to go back for repairs, for change of measurements, or not one lock had to be replaced, and not one glass pane broke. That is the level of professionalism this company brings to the table. Yes, we had choices of wood and aluminium and UPVC, etc. Wood I am dead against because it is environmentally unfriendly. I was contemplating on UPVC, and one sentence which was told to me by Mr. Siddharth Oswal was, "You're comparing plastic to aluminium," and that did it. On my second meeting with them, they got me a very small 2 feet by 1 foot sample window, and I had confirmed their order just looking at that sample. They can deliver that quality because everything from their locks to their hardware to their sealants and to their profiles is made in-house. So that kind of quality and that kind of promise can be delivered by AluWorks in time, in the price that suits the client, because they do it all in-house. Specifically for our auditorium, which is a part of our educational institute, we had 2 specifications importantly for us. One is soundproofing and the other is safety. We did not want children to be able to open the doors and windows without our permission. How do you do that? Soundproofing, they did a beautiful job by giving me double glazing vacuumized windows, 10 mm on the exterior, 8 mm glass in the interior. And for the locking, they gave me removable handles. So those handles, only when the management or the person of the looking after the auditorium goes up and attaches that handle, it does it unlock and slide. Otherwise, all the glasses remain in place, locked, with no child being able to open it. And that was extremely important for us. So hats off to them for giving us that idea. For another site of mine, which is my own personal residence, I wanted a 15 feet high and a 12-foot width 29-year-old glass pane to be removed and replaced with a 10 mm thick soundproof toughened glass pane. From erecting the scaffolding, removing the old windows, from which I think there were 16 glass windows, not one cracked, to replacing it with only 9 huge pieces of toughened glass, not one cracked. From cleaning the glass and removing the scaffolding, everything was done within 28 hours. No other company can deliver that speed and that quality. As far as I am personally concerned, for any other projects of mine or for my personal homes, I don't need to look for another contractor for windows and doors.